how to use te kudasai for na-adjectives? Let's find out. For our English explanation, for na-adjectives, we just have to drop or remove the na of na-adjectives, plus adding nishite kudasai. Na-adjective plus nishite kudasai. So the new meaning will be, please do this na-adjective. Let's give an example. Kireina will be kirei nishite kudasai. Shizuka will be shizuka nishite kudasai. Nigayaka will be nigayaka nishite kudasai. For our Tagalog or Taglish explanation, so pwede natin gamitin yung te kudasai sa na-adjectives by removing or tanggalin natin yung na ng na-adjectives, and then mag-add tayo ng nishite kudasai. So yung magiging bagong meaning niya is, please gawin mo itong na-adjective na ito. Bigay tayong example. Yumei ay magiging yumei nishite kudasai. Bengri ay magiging bengrei nishite kudasai. Shinsetsu ay magiging shinsetsu nishite kudasai.